Greetings from Northern Idaho. This is me and my Verysys-X when I first bought it and on my way home. And here it is as it exists today. By far one of the best investments that I've made since purchasing that bike was upgrading the seat. The seat from the factory is just probably worse than riding on an old metal tractor seat. And so what we've got here today is on the left, the factory seat. In the middle, version 1 of the Seat Concepts foam and cover. Well, just the foam, the cover's not on it. And then on the right, version 2, which I've just recently installed. If you take a look at those photos, what you're going to see between V1 and V2 is that the seat's a little bit wider towards the front, and it has a bit less of a dish. Now this makes it a little bit harder to get your feet flat on the ground, but it is much, much more comfortable to ride long distances on. In V1 is significantly better than the factory seat, but there's kind of this feeling that you're always sliding forward, and I think that's that deep dish in the back and the narrow in the front where they were trying to keep it so that it was basically the same width as the factory foam. Version 2 is wider. And the foam is a little bit thicker, but it's oh so worth it. So I would highly recommend going out and getting yourself the Seat Concepts foam and cover version 2. And for the second go around here, I've purchased the gripper seat, which has a bit more texture to it than the plain carbon fiber one that I purchased the first time around. And I really like how that feels on the back roads where you might be sliding around a little bit. So there's a very quick overview of the Seat Concepts V2 foam. Now here's a teaser for my latest adventure. So you're on video, Dave. What are we out here doing?
Eating.
In the woods?
Uh-huh.
All right. Eating in the woods. That's important.
Food. Food's good.
High quality food?
Quality. It's a 10. And look, there's an empty Blue Moon beer bottle.
Oh yeah. And a fire ring, so I guess people come up here and
Probably smoke weed a lot.
pate. So I don't know if I can actually get myself in the photo or the video when I hold this camera out like this, because it's a 30mm lens, a little bit too narrow.
It's like just got your face in there.
So yeah, but anyway, here we are. There's our four-wheeler and motorcycle, because you know we don't have two of either one of them, so we're just making do. Having a good time though.